Transform your static images into breathtaking, dynamic video experiences with Sora AI. Have you ever looked at a favorite photograph and wished it could come alive? Today, we're diving into the incredible capabilities of Sora AI to do just that, by showing you how to use your existing images to create unique and captivating videos. The first step is to upload your chosen image into Sora. Simply drag and drop your file, or use the upload button. Sora is designed to understand the content of your image, recognizing elements like subjects, backgrounds, and moods. Once your image is loaded, Sora's AI kicks in. You'll notice options to guide the animation. Let's explore the animation style. Presets you can choose from various effects, perhaps something cinematic to make your image feel like a movie scene, or a more whimsical animation for a playful touch. Next, let's fine-tune the movement. The motion intensity slider allows you to control how much you want your image to move. A gentle adjustment can add subtle life, while a higher setting can create more dramatic motion, like camera pans or zooms that weren't originally there. To add even more realism and depth, Sora can analyze your image and create a pseudo 3D effect using the scene depth or depth enhancement tools. You can tell Sora to interpret parallax effects, making elements in the foreground appear closer and those in the background further away, giving your flat image a sense of dimension. With these simple steps, you've transformed a static photograph into a dynamic video. You can add atmospheric elements, subtle character animations if your image contains them, or even create a sense of narrative flow. The possibilities are endless for creating truly unique visual content. Try it yourself.